in Pennsylvania counties Lancaster
Finally.
and York. Effective until 8:09 p.m. The National Weather Service and State College PA has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lancaster County, in South Central Pennsylvania, Southeastern York County, in South Central Pennsylvania. Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Holtwood, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Delta, Wakefield, Holtwood, Sunnyburn, Smithville, Sheggs Ferry, Susquehanna Trails, Little Britain, Buck, Peach Bottom, Airville, and Rawlinsville. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Has been changed.
Thanks, WGTY.